Don't stop. There go another spot on the lot. Hey, better get that one too, y'all. Cause if you don't, they gon' fucking slip, y'all. Trip, y'all. Hit a dip, y'all. Fuck around, hit the wall like a, y'all. Hey. Hey, what's up with it, man? Man, tell me something good, man. Them gold was shining over there a while ago, man. Yeah, man.
I got one missing, but I'm gonna get it back.
Yeah, you finna get that one back? Yeah, that's what you gonna use the money on?
Yes,
okay. I'm coming out soon. I'm coming out. I'm just taking my time. Oh, it was looking good. It tried to break loose, though.
I saw.
Yeah, I don't like that breaking loose. Yeah, I handled it a little bit, though.
You used to.
Yeah, I'm finna try, old boy. If he say something to me, I'm gonna get on tonight. I'm gonna go on and try it, man.
Hey, good luck.
Already, bet. Boom. Boom. Goddamn me. I don't know. Look out, look out. Scribble thing. Hey, it's a scribble thing. Hey, I'm Nika now. Pull up in the mud, man. You know I'm in the style. Hell yeah, you know, look out, getting wild. It's a scribble thing. I'm Nika now. Hey, it's a scribble thing. I'm Nika now. Hey, it's a scribble thing. I'm Nika now. Pulling up, that's me trying now. Hey, I think it's right there, ain't it? Hey, I'm on YouTube. Hey, suscríbete and delay. Dale me guste. Yeah. Chilling at the crib, man. Know I mean stay. Head to my homeboy, Dale me guste. I had. Attention in the bed, guys. Where Parker Town at? He ain't. I'ma go way up in the stands. In case old boy come back up here with that bullshit, I'll be able to see him. I'm gonna be on YouTube this year. No, not yet. Okay, bet. There go Funky Town right there, y'all. Yeah, Billy Ocean. Attention in the pits, guys. You got about 15 minutes for fuel or nitrous, guys. Hey, you got about 15 minutes. You got about. Look out, hey. Look out racing, man. Yeah, YouTube. Yeah. Suscríbete a mi canal and dale me gusta. Yeah. Yeah, you gonna see it right now, man. Go on, put your shout out in. Go on, let them know what's up, where you from, who you is, who you. Okay, down in here, LA. Y'all heard him, yeah. Came from all the way from LA. So you know damn well, y'all, he don't play. And if he got money, he will pay. Cause it's $10 for gas, hey. All the way down in LA. Gas is high as fuck, okay. God damn. That gas high on the bitch down there, y'all. $10, $9. Hey, look out, y'all. What's up? How you doing? You on my channel, right?
Yeah,
Okay. Marty Kong. Oh, you know Marty?
Yeah.
Hey. Hey, Marty. What's up with it, man? I've been waiting on you to pull
big
up
block.
here. Yeah.
Big motor, small block.
Yeah, y'all.
Big block.
Damn, they got a small. Which one you like, though? You like small blocks or big blocks?
I like them in between.
You like the one, oh, okay. What we gonna, that's a stroker.
Yeah, like
So you like a stroker. Yeah, he like a stroker, man. He like them. I like them strokers too, boy. I like them too. A good stroker. Yeah. Man, I like the 383, But a LS or LT? I gotta be LS or LT.
Bigger than 383.
Okay, oh, you like a 421, 418, 408? You'll do a 408? Okay, a 408, yeah. Yeah, man, say, I like a 408. Yeah, them hoes run, man. They run, boy. You get you a good look out. Hey, what's up with it, man? You on my YouTube channel, right? Bet. Yeah. He been doing something, y'all. He been doing something. Already. He finna do something else, he said. Hey, he said he about to do something tonight, y'all. I hope that it don't be no fight, y'all. Cause I don't wanna make nobody else mad. And I don't wanna make nobody else sad. I only wanna make all these people glad. Hey, what's up, man? What?
On your head.
Mine right now.
That bitch back there.
Man, you want me to pull up?
Yes, please.
Man,
I
don't
can't
play with
sleep
me.
right.
All right. I just told him I'm a boy say. All right.
Every time I see you, nigga.
Every time you see me.
Like Mike Hill and Emmett Hall. We
All
gotta
right.
get it on.
All right, man. Let me. Hey, I need Big Chief. I need Big Chief. Somebody to make my shit faster. Can't keep having. He already. I told y'all I'm finna get his ass. I can't even pull in the line. What is that? Oh shit! He put it in front of TikTok. Hey, all my people on TikTok, come to my YouTube channel, Look Out Racing. Look Out Racing on YouTube. Get over here, get over here, get over here. Huh? Oh, okay, bet.
Hoopty on hoopty.
Yeah. Yeah.
Got the hood out there.
Okay, okay.
Here we got 5 people over there.
Let me see.
Let me see.
Oh, they got that hood out.
Got the hood out there.
Yeah, they saving what? God damn.
God damn. The daily.
I love it again.
What happened? Hey, I did like that. Now we Hey, I broke that whole fam. Hey.
Oh, man. He broke that whole fam.
Hey, you got a cigarette? He said that one. No, don't clap it off. It's gonna fly out.
Okay. And the trunk won't. There's somebody in there too? Oh, that bitch won't even close no more. There's too much shit in here.
Well, you got too much weight in that big.
Okay.
I got 50 on this right here.
50 on this? Okay.
Hey, he got 50 on that one. All that weight, nigga, you gonna lose.
All that weight? Hey, all